Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another one. If you are new to the channel, I am Gold Pony. This is Stangosaurus, and as you guys can probably see, it is November in Pennsylvania, so therefore it is snowing. So I figured today, probably not the smartest idea I've ever done, but I wanted to demonstrate to you guys why you should not drive with summer tires in the snow. Just so you guys know as well, I don't drive with summer tires in the snow. I have this thing with all-wheel drive for that simple purpose. So that is why I did not bother to do any alternate wheel and tire setups or a snow tire or anything like that for Stangosaurus, because I don't need it. Still wanted to demonstrate to you guys because, as you can see, there is a decent amount of snow on the roads and my driveway, so we're gonna give this a shot. And of course, before we get started here, and so I think it is safe to say I didn't even try to get out of the driveway. I can barely even go up and down the driveway, actually. If you have a Mustang and you plan on driving it in the snow, it is most definitely a good investment to go with anything but summer tires. All season, definitely snow tires would be the best choice, of course, or an all-wheel drive vehicle. But I actually thought I was going to be able to get a little bit further than my driveway, but that is not the case. Not in snow like this. It's more like slush snow as opposed to the light feathery stuff that you can just kind of kick behind you. But yeah, we're supposed to get a foot today, so I'm going to go ahead and leave Stangosaurus in the garage for the rest of the day. But wanted to illustrate that to you guys, because definitely do not try putting summer tires out on this snow, because it's not going to work out so well for you. Anyways, I know this is a short video, so let me ask you guys one more thing. I've been thinking about this a lot lately, and I think I've told you guys this before, but when you get the need for green color, you are required to get this stripe. So I want you guys to tell me what you think. Should I get rid of the stripe, just the vinyl, so it's very easy to take off? And in addition to that, should I go with a wrap? I'm keeping the green color, definitely love that, but should I go with some kind of a wrap on top of the green other than the green stripe? So yeah, that is the question I'm going to leave for you guys. There's the John Deere in the back. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. I'm not going to be doing anything like that until next year, which I may be doing, no promises, I don't know, but it's something I've been thinking about. But anyways, appreciate you guys stopping by for this super short video. Be sure to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay gold, not cold. It's freezing.